even on me. It's not even on me. You just took a picture. You just took a video of the freaking thing. Yeah.
You already did it! No, he said.
Dude, let go.
Alright guys, it's me, Ivy, and I'm on a motocross bike. Isaiah, hold the camera, please. I'll let you ride the bike after you hold the camera. Okay. Make sure it's on me, actually. Hi. I didn't brush my hair. Stop, Isaiah, this is for YouTube. Isaiah's holding the camera. It's not freaking working.
They're coming around the corner. Motocross time! Hi! Stop taking a video of us in the tree.
Okay, my turn.
Okay,
That was me on a motocross bike. Here's Steven. If Isaiah actually took the video, here you guys can watch Isaiah get on the bike. Is it on you? Can you see yourself in it? Yeah, he's gonna do that. Eat my dust!
eat my dog!
It's so high! Wait, no, do it. Yeah. Do it. You're getting like the deepest sand. You got the mud!
Well, we'll talk to you later. All right, come on, Savannah. We got to get ready
To do what?
to go to the Walking Dead.
I don't want to go walking dead. Oh, okay, Jesus.
That's right.
There's Isaiah.
I escaped.
Here, can I get on before I leave? No, I'm about to leave.
You just did!
Hold on, I want to see if this actually works. It won't. It does! Dude! Where's Isaiah? Oh, I'm on a farm. I'm on a freaking farm and it's so awesome. It's so freaking awesome. Isaiah, stop. Stop it! I am living on a farm for a week. These are goats. These goats are freaking camera shy. They're your doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, Gracie. No! Maybe I don't wanna. Where do you? Rosebud! Come on, Rosebud. That's a cow. She is pregnant, actually. This video is gonna be too long, but I'm sorry I walked away. Holy crap! Look at how fast she goes, even when she's pregnant. Jesus, she ate a leaf. Watch her.
Oh, the goat.
Yeah,
The cat.
I started walking away, and then the cat started following. Come on. Watch me awesomely pet this cow. Yeah, I actually can pet this cow. We're allowed to. Oh, what you doing? Yeah, I'm allowed to pet the cow. She doesn't really like the flies too much. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing? What was you doing? Being awesomely awesome. With all the awesome. Okay, so I gotta end the video here. I'll make a video later. I'm going to Walking Dead, thing. So, I'll make a video there. Bye.